Hi friends, this video shows how to install Netflix app in Kids Profile. First let me select switch accounts from top left corner. Then let me select one Kids Profile, Kid 2. And here go to top left corner, set settings. Enter Google PIN because this profile is locked. So let me enter Google PIN. Then go to manage apps. Here you can see kids apps from Google Play. If you go down, you can see the apps, all apps installed in this device. From here you can select Netflix. So let me select Netflix. So first we need to install Netflix in parent profile. After that you would be able to see Netflix here in this kids profile. So from here you can select Netflix, then select allow. Done. So now I have installed Netflix app in kids profile. Let me verify. See, here you can see Netflix app icon. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.